morning, all of you. Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible properly?
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Now it is okay. Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
is it okay now? Hello, is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Properly audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can we start now? Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to start. But now, who will first? First who will speak? Ankit Kumar Raj.
Ma'am, can I?
Srishti, your voice is breaking. Voice is breaking. That's why. Start.
Ma'am, which topic?
Topic is already given there in the classroom.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Shubhasini.
As we all know that in
Should I?
2015,
Should
hello,
I start, ma'am?
Shubhasini is already speaking.
hello,
After Shubhasini, Srishti.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, can I start?
Yeah.
Okay. As we all know that in 2015, PM Narendra Modi announced his vision to set up 100 smart city across the country. Um, The Smart City mission intend to promote adoption of smart solution for efficient use of available resource and infrastructure. Smart cities focus on their most needed things and the greatest opportunity to improve lives. They tap a range to approach digital and information technology, urban area, urban planning, set practice and public and private partnership and policy change to make a difference. And the focus is on exclusive development, and the idea is to look at compact areas, and smart cities can transform the work environment by streaming manual progress and giving employers a great opportunity to reach their full potential, while also providing citizen which sorry with improve service, um, advancement in big data and connected devices have allowed city across to information that's never been available before. Citizens today expect their cities to deliver user-friendly and digital service. A smart city is a safer city, leveraging technology and public private partnership help reducing criminal activities. These are the basic useful ideas about the smart city.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have well explained all the things, all the aspects. Very nice. Okay, Srishti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Srishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is Smart City Project. How useful will they be? The purpose of Smart City Project is to drive the
Your
life
voice is
of
breaking.
people.
Your voice is breaking in between.
Ma'am, the network connection.
Please go to the network
purpose of-
area.
Ma'am, today there is network issue. That's why.
Firstly, you were where? That time your voice was okay.
Ma'am, I was in my room.
Go there where you were. Abdul Kalam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Abdul, please you start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I want to say what is a smart city. A
Yeah.
smart city can be defined as a city which should be equipped with basic infrastructure to give a decent quality of life. Now, how useful smart cities can be in the future? First, as more and more people are migrating from rural to urban areas, an estimate says that around 70% of the people will be living in the cities by 2050. Therefore, we need to make more cities which would be smarter and tackle the issue related with the larger scale urbanization. The second point is the main aim of constructing a smart city is to provide good infrastructure to residents, such as clean water supply, sanitation services, and 24/7 hour electricity. And also, the smart cities will be provide smart solutions, such as providing by taking public data, which would be used by them to provide solution to the public problem, and also monitoring water quality, water supply, etc. The fourth point is, as smart cities enhances the development activities of a region, such as building schools, shopping malls, organizations, etc. And also it will provide employment and various opportunities for startups and business. So smart cities, so India must build smart cities for its good economy. That's all.
Okay, Abdul, very nice. I will say you have explained firstly what is a smart city.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Manish.
at first I would tell the definition of a smart and a smart city. A smart means low effort and the maximum value
Smart
of
means?
smart means low effort and the maximum value of the work.
Hey, are you talking in headphone?
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा हेडफोन दूर करो।
नजदीक मैम।
हाँ अब ठीक है।
यस मैम।
थोड़ा धीरे बोलो, आवाज क्या हो रहा ना स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, थोड़ा लो।
यस। ओ
ओके
मैम।
ओके
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 मैम।
ओके।
A smart city is an urban area that uses different types of electronic methods and sensors to collect data. Insights gained from that data are used to manage assets, resources, and services efficiently. In return, that data is used to improve the operations across the city. In India, Bhopal, Indore, Surat, Chennai, Pune, etc. So many smart cities in our country. That's all, ma'am.
That's it.
Ma'am, that's all.
My goodness, time I have given 5 minutes. Okay, Srishti.
Ma'am, is my voice audible now?
Yeah, very nicely.
Okay, ma'am. Topic is Smart City Project. How useful will they be? The purpose of Smart City Project is to drive economic growth and improve the quality of the life of people by enabling local area development and harnessing technology, especially technology that leads to smart outcome. 100 Smart Cities mission was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th June 2015. A total of rupees 98
Srishti is facing heavy network issues now. Suddenly her voice is now not audible. Srishti, you're not audible. Hello, Srishti. Where are you, Srishti? Who is Srishti? Where are you? Okay, Deepak Gora, speak.
India is the fastest developing country in the world.
Deepak,
People are trying to change.
same problem. Your voice breaking. I don't know what
But
type,
my network is full.
what type of background is there. I don't know.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I was disconnected.
Go ahead, Srishti.
Second one is intelligence. Smart cities are intelligent because they have the ability to obtain and utilize knowledge and information. Third one is responsiveness. A smart city may respond to the information in a variety of ways, all towards making everything more efficient. And the fourth one is sustainability. It is one of the major goals to create a system where resources are used conservatively and preserved while creating a sustainable system of operations. Now, benefits of smart cities are efficient distribution of resources. For example, the camera at the bus stop can identify how many people are waiting to board. The sensors on the approaching bus know how many people ride the bus at any given point of time and how many people are currently on the bus. This combination of the information from the bus stop and the bus leads to the city's response. Second one is seamless communication. Communication between various systems and sensors in a smart city is very important. In fact, without them, the smart city cannot efficiently redistribute resources and make citizens' lives better. However, smart cities bring about a different, equally efficient communication, that is, the communication between the citizens and the government of the particular city. Third one is speed of implementation. Still on governments and policies, every country with a democracy can testify to the fact that it takes quite a while for policies for any sort of new development to get implemented. This is partly due to bureaucracy and the multiple levels of the government, and also partly due to the human factor. But the smart cities overcome these problems very easily because the point that needs improvements have already been identified and the implementation becomes easier. Moreover, the preservation of environment has always been about reduction of consumption while promoting the creation of sustainable system. Smart city accomplishes all these and more through its efficient distribution. For starters, water management system, transportation grids, and transportation system and grids and general city-wide operations are optimized, thereby reducing wastage. So, according to my view, in these ways, smart city project is beneficial and important. Thank you.
Now, Srishti has spoken very well. One thing, the thing you have told about this bus, really very nice. You have told that thing about
Thank you, ma'am.
the example is very good. So, next,
Thank you, ma'am.
we'll move to Shishir. शिशिर गुप्ता कहाँ हैं आप? शिशिर कुमार गुप्ता, where are you? Okay, Shivam bit.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, properly.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I'm going to speak about smart city. A smart city uses the information. Now I'm going to say what is smart city at first. A smart city uses information and technology to improve the operational efficiency and share information with the public and provide a better quality of government service and citizen welfare. The main goal of a smart city is to provide optimize the city functions and promote economic growth, while also improving the quality of life of the citizens by using smart technologies and data analysis. The benefits of smart cities are efficient distribution of the resources. That means the sustainable ones. Second is seamless communication. Third one is speed of implementation. I mean, implementation of the decisions that are focusing on economic growth that should be implemented as fast as possible. Ensuring the proper efficiency. That is the smart sensors are making sure that the resources are used without any losses and increasing the efficiency along with saving money and time. Fifth is mitigating risks and reducing damages. In the time of disaster, a smart city can cut down the expenses and also increase the safety. It uplifts the overall quality of life, and it also does smart transportation and smart buildings. Smart transportation and smart buildings that are used in a smart city will overall reduce the pollution, save our resources, and also save time and money. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shivam. Shivam, you have told one thing about the sensors. How they can be useful? Can you give one example about the sensor you have told?
Ma'am, such as the sensors that are detecting the pollution level, we can detect the pollution level and we can take decisions on the basis of that. Ma'am, another example, Srishti had given, that the bus one.
Okay. Whenever say anything you like this, now please give some examples, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, next, Deepak.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, please go ahead.
India is the fastest developing country in the world. People are trying to change their life and they are shifting from rural areas to urban areas. Making cities smart will make their life more easier. The core elements of smart city are infrastructure, include a short supply of electricity, adequate supply of water, solid waste management, sanitization, efficient urban mobility, affordable housing, public transport, digitalization, IT connectivity, sustainable environment, good governance, health and education, security of the citizens.
And 5
Hello.
minutes time, yeah. Hello. Say, will you speak or you have over?
Hello.
Yeah, Deepak. Will you speak or you have completed?
That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Dhaneshwar Mahato. Dhaneshwar Mahato. Dhaneshwar Mahato. Rohan Gop.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Rohan.
Mm,
Rohan,
the
how are
definition
you?
of is fine, ma'am.
Are you practicing? Are you reading
Yes,
the
ma'am.
newspaper?
Yes, ma'am.
How much time you are spending in writing?
1 hour.
Okay, great. Okay, go
Yes,
ahead,
ma'am.
Rohan.
The definition of smart city. The definition of smart city differs from country to country and even from the city to city. It highly depends on local needs. The concept of smart cities was born in 2008 when IBM introduced this concept as a part of its Smarter Planet initiative. The smart cities in India are being designed to drive economic growth and also to give a decent quality of life to the citizens. Features of the smart city: rooftop solar panels, public electric vehicles, smart parking system, sustainable development, clean environment. Benefits of smart cities mission. This can solve the problem of slums and the growing needs for accommodation in cities. Benefits will spread to all sections of people through a trickle down effect. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. One thing I liked, Rohan, about you today, you have spoke very nice. The first day you have told us, you have the way you are speaking, and today you are speaking. Really, I will say that you have improved.
Yes,
And I
thank you,
think that,
ma'am.
and in the next class, I will say you will improve more. I don't know. Really, it is a coincidence, or really you are practicing. I don't know. But you spoke well this time.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Really, I don't know you are practicing or not, how much truth you are telling it to me, but you will today.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome, Rohan. Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar. Just listen, all of you. I will speak your name 3 times. After that, I will just put you in the waiting room. If you will not unmute yourself, then I will definitely put you in the waiting room. Okay, Ayush Kumar, please speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ayush.
Wait a minute. Okay, the concept of smart cities was born in 2008 when IBM introduced this concept as a part of Smarter planet initiatives. But the smart city differs from the country to country and even from the city to city. It's highly depends on local needs. In the West, a smart city is more IT focused. But here in India, the smart city is one that promises essential needs like clean water, electricity, sustainable environment, affordable house, etc. With integration of IT services. The smart cities in India are being designed to drive economic growth and also give a decent quality of life to the citizens. There are many features of the smart cities like clean environment, sustainable development, smart classrooms in all the schools, public electric vehicles, smart parking system, rooftop solar panels, etc. And the benefits of the smart city mission. This can solve the problems of slums and the growing need of accommodations in the cities. Smart cities are going to be more citizen-centric. This will be a good step towards the bottom-up approach in the governance.
So how you are
Many-
saying that in India it is what you have told na?
In India, the smart city is one like that promises essential needs.
Why?
Because we are dealing with India is a third world country and we are dealing with many basic. मैम हम लोग को बहुत बेसिक नीड्स का भी अभी नहीं मिल पा रहा, तो first of all we have to focus on that.
Means you want to say that we means the students or whatever who are researching on this smart cities and all those things, the government is not helping in the research types, in the research projects.
No, not exactly.
Then please clear your view. I am not getting your view. क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो, थोड़ा सा क्लियरली उसको बोलो, तो हमको नहीं समझ में आ रहा क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो, स्मार्ट सिटी को लेकर क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो?
स्मार्ट सिटी
व्हाट यू वांट टू से, ये व्यू हमको क्लियर नहीं हो रहा कि इंडिया में क्या है, वेस्ट में क्या है, यू आर सेइंग ना ये व्यू.
Ma'am, in India, the smart city is one that promises essential needs, but with the integration of IT services.
Okay.
And as in West, they are highly developed. They're developed than India, so they barely needs that essential needs. So they are more focused on IT. So IT focused. They are more IT focused.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. So the benefits, there are many benefits of smart cities, such as many employment opportunities will be created, not just for IT people, but to many. So this can reduce unemployment to some extent. Smart cities will reduce the cost of infrastructure, thereby making the house cheaper and affordable. The improved transport system will have a positive effect on the economy. And that's it, ma'am.
Okay. Ayush Kumar. Next, Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Manish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Since we are having just 10 minutes left with us, okay, I have noted down the name of the students today who have spoke. That is Shubhashni, Srishti, Abdul, Manish, Deepak, Shishir, Shivam, Dhaneshwar, Rohan, Ayush, and Manish. Okay.
Ma'am, my name is Manish Kumar
Yeah.
from
Please
Electrical
start.
College.
Yeah.
Start, ma'am.
Yeah, start now, Manish.
Smart Cities Mission is an urban renewable and retrofitting program by the Government of India with the mission to develop 100 cities across the country, which making them citizen friendly and sustainable. The Union Minister of Urban Development is responsible for implementing the mission in collaboration with the state government of the respective cities. Smart cities has basic infrastructures, use smart solutions to make infrastructure and service better and relies on areas-based development. Smart cities mission invention developing an area within 100 cities in the country as model areas based on area development plan. Cities will be selected based on the Smart Cities Challenge and cities will compete in a countrywide competition to obtain the benefit from the mission. Then there are some goals of smart cities which are following: provide basic infrastructures, achieve a clean and sustainable development, increase the quality of life of its citizens, improve the efficiency of the existing and new infrastructure, apply smart solution, and set example of to be replicated both within the and outside the smart city and the creation of similar smart cities. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So. Not so nice, not so worst. MD Shohel Ansari. MD Shohel Ansari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, today's topic is smart city is helpful in the sustainable growth of the country. The main purpose of the smart city is enhanced citizen and government engagement. Nowadays, citizens now accept a lot from the cities, and they want to get provided with robust user friendly digital services. So, like automation bring cost savings with AI based and IoT technologies, internet based of things, automating cities resources such as water and electricity, and saving significant amounts of money by doing so.
Okay.
Smart city also changes the quality of life, such as economic benefits, as happier citizens care more about the cities and work to further improve and develop it. A smart city enhance the inflow of talent attracted by the safer and happier environment of the smart city, leads to the rise of a GDP and overall economy of the city. Smart city also enhance the sustainable growth of the ecosystem with reduced emissions and clean cities greatly increases the standards of living, happiness, and leads to economic growth. Smart city enhance the smart transportations, reducing congestion and pollution can have great benefits in terms of money and time saved. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Can I, ma'am?
Who? Aniket Kumar, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aniket.
Good morning, ma'am.
One thing I just want to clear, okay, with you people, that who are not getting chance to speak today, because I have noted down the names, okay? They will speak in next Monday. And definitely tomorrow's class, I will mention the students who are present and not present, because the number of students 28, and they are thinking if there is no need to participate in this, then I have to clear them that you have to participate. So I've noted down the names. Those who have not got chance, they will speak in next Monday and the topic will be same. The others who have spoke, they also have to attend the class. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, then in next class I will speak, ma'am, with lot of research I will do. There are still some left, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, Aniket. Because it's not possible in 40 minutes to complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next who will? Then Aniket, I'm just cutting your name. Next who will?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Satish, you speak.
Good morning, all of you. The definition of a smart city is an urban area that is smart of all spheres, whether it concerns the use of technology at its best from being sustainable, environmental friendly, good water supply, being smart with energy management, intelligent transportation, smart homes surrounded by nature at its best form, and living comfortably without any hustle. In a smart city project, there's round-the-clock security services, which gives you that much-needed peace of mind.
Clock? What you have told? Clock?
Clock security services.
Okay. Clock security sensors or senses?
Services.
Huh?
Services.
Oh, services. Services. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Which gives you that much-needed peace of mind in today's time. The project is technologically backed as well as capable of conserving energy in the best possible manner. According to me, the idea behind a smart city is to provide a high quality of life to people living across cities. However, different countries have a different ideologies when it comes to building a smart city, which varies according to the resources a country already have. As we all know, the Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, announced his vision of a smart city in India as soon as he took the charges of office subsequently.
Please, 1 minute. Please be slow. Please be slow and please your volume na thoda medium karo. It's very harshing the ears.
Okay, ma'am. The Ministry of Urban Development, under the charge of Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, into action to realize PM's dream. The government of India planned to develop 100 smart cities across the India, with 20 such cities in 2015, 14 2016, and another 14 2017. As far as budget for the project is concerned, a total of 98,000 crore has been approved by the Union Cabinet for development of 100 smart cities. Apart from this, the central government would give 100 crores to each of these cities. The remaining money would be borne by state government and urban bodies. The 100 smart cities in India are going to give new safe and new recognition to India in coming future. Communities can improve energy distribution, streamline trans collection, decrease traffic congestion, and even improve air quality with help of the IoT. For instance, connected traffic lights receive data from sensor and cars adjusting light condense and timing to respond to real-time traffic, reduce road congestion. Connected cars and communicate with parking meters and electric vehicle charging docks and direct drives to nearest available spots. Smart garbage can automatically send data to waste management companies and schedule pickup and as needed versus on the pre-planned schedule. And citizens' smartphone becomes their mobile driver license and ID can with digital credential, which speeds and simplify access to the cities and local government services. Together, these smart cities technologies are optimizing infrastructure, mobility, public services, and utilization. Since smart cities are just starting to be catered their benefits and problems are still to be seen. However, as of now, here are few benefits they providing. First one is transparency in cities policy creation. Second one is creation of more value in existing cities.